There's a part of your electric scooter that you might not be familiar with, and that is called the limit ring. A limit ring is essentially just a secondary piece of security so that when your scooter is upright, it's locked into place and it won't fold when you're riding. Unfortunately, people often make the mistake of trying to open their electric scooter before taking the limit ring out, like so. When this happens, you go to fold your scooter, you forget to take the limit ring out, and then it gets moshed up. And when that happens, you need to know how to replace your limit ring. Let's get into it. Step one, you guys, when you want to replace your limit ring, go out and buy a new piece, right? You can find these on Amazon or from some manufacturers. Get a new part. After that, what you want to do is you want to remove the old limit ring. So you'll see a screw here on the side. Use this little tool. Go in, screw, screw, screw. It should just pop right out. And you want to put that to the side. Don't throw away the old screw or the tool. Keep them both to the side. Then you just slide off your limit ring, like so. This old one, garbage. Then you want to take out your new limit ring. See how beautiful, sexy, shiny it is? And you don't want to use the screw that it comes with. The screw that it comes with is a star. It's super hard to screw in. You might not have the right tool for it, but put it to the side. Another thing is too, you'll see that it actually comes in two parts. This part here is already on the scooter, so you can also just put that to the side. Don't throw it out in case you ever do need it, but just put it to the side. Don't need it right now. And you want to take the limit ring, slide it right onto here when it's latched in place. Take the old screw and the old tool. Again, just screw, screw, screw until you feel resistance. You want to make sure that it's on there tight, like so. Then you want to test it out. So bring your scooter up, lock it in, and lock. There you go, you guys. That's how you can replace a broken limit ring on your electric scooter.